Hello, everyone. My name is Jose Mendiola, and I'm going to be your coach at Discovery Days. Okay, so first of all, if you're enrolled in Discovery Days, you're going to get a packet of papers and some materials. Okay, so basically, today I'm going to focus on the instructions, the goal, and day one. Okay, so as you know, when you got the packet, it's a packet of paper, and in one of the first pages is this one, which is basically like a board that is going to tell you what to do on each one of those days, on at least on the first week. So week one challenge, epic marble race, the goal and the instructions. Using the materials that you were given and other materials you might have at home, use gravitational force and potential energy to create a path and make a marble roll at least for 30 seconds on it. So basically, you were giving some materials, but that's not it. That's not all. So the idea is that you can find some materials at home and actually just make a track, make a path. So the marble can be rolling for 30 seconds. That's your initial goal. And how are you going to do it? Well, every single day, we're going to help you with that. So let me show you. For example, day one, watch the introduction video on the website. So how are you going to be watching that? Well, that's the thing, that this is the video and it's day one. And I'm explaining you this, but I'm going to let you know in just a second. Number two, watch the example video in the website. What website? Number three, brainstorm on paper materials that you will be using and the path that you might use. So there's a very important piece of information in this. It says day one, day two, day three, day four, materials, vocabulary words, example video, and then go to. Take a look. That's the example video. That's just an example. It doesn't mean it should be like that. It's just an example. So that's it. Number two is that one. Now let's just pretend that you don't know what we're talking about with this or how to scan it. Don't worry, because we also have this go to URL. So over here, you can meet your instructions, you can watch videos and any other instructions. So basically, you're going to type tinyurl.com ddays 2020 with the /. So let me show you. tinyurl.com / ddays 2020. Enter, and it's going to take you to this website. So this is going to be really, really important. Why? Because it's a lot of information here. So every single day from Monday to Thursday at 9 a.m., we're going to meet. You're going to click over here so we can meet the coaches and you. We can meet online and we can tell you what you're going to be doing. And if you have any questions, you can ask us. Remember, the idea is to, solve the challenge. So whenever you click on this, it's going to take you to a Google Meets meeting. Don't worry if you only have like a phone or something, an iPad, a computer, it doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. So basically that's, oh, sorry. Basically, that's what it is. That's the first thing that you need to know. Every single day, Monday to Thursday at 9. Then we got week one videos and instructions. So this video, it's this one. When you click on this, you're going to see this video. Then the example video, which is basically this video right here. Remember, again, it's just an example. And then the science, well, I'm going to stop there because that's all there is. For day one, what are you supposed to be doing? Watch the introduction video, which is this video. Watch the example video on the website. How can you go to the website? I already showed you, which is basically this tinyurl.com / this is very important because if you don't type it, it's going to be wrong. And then ddays 2020. That is going to take you to this website. There is a link for the Google Meets meeting, and then the introduction video and the example video. So for day one, get a piece of paper, what you need to be doing, watching those two videos, and brainstorm on a piece of paper the materials that you will be using and the path that you might use. Where? At home, in your house, in your backyard. Just be careful if it's in your backyard, because if it rains, it's gonna get messy. So I'll see you every day at night. Click on that link and we'll start being creative.